Monday, July 28th, 7:34 a.m. Anchorage, Alaska. My hair is not a wig, just a saying. It's definitely part of my skull, or attached to the skin on my skull. Just putting that out there for any inquiries. We're all just really cool looking puppets for really powerful spirits somewhere. Marvelous woman that took me to the Native Heritage Center yesterday. She just came back and she just did a fashion show for me.
Mental dissociations can occur. A feeling of time lapse, yes. To put it another way, time simply flies by. By the time you get from one thing to the next, the time you would normally need for the whole thing is already up again. And yes, that is also something that I noticed today. You have strong concentration jumps. You go from one thing to another. You can't focus on anything and there's a certain openness to stimuli. That's what I said before. There's a slight manipulation involved.
Hey! 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 Cuidado com a luz! Hey! É, parou.
Ai, meu Deus, ele tá muito bravo hoje.
Wait a little while from now, if I'm not feeling any less sound, I promise myself to treat myself and visit a nearby town. And climbing to the top, will throw myself off in an effort to make clear to whoever what it's like when you're shattered, left.
Okay, heading into town. That's Alaska. Most unfortunate, but a fantastic photo. Just so you know what a burned out bus looks like. Holy smokes. Just so you know what a burned out bus looks like. Holy smokes. It smells great. It smells really great. I like how it looks like 1,000 years old. It looks like 1,000 years old, but it probably just freaking wasn't here. Maybe somebody moved it like that? I have no clue. Doesn't look like a fire happened here, though. I really love this spot. Pretty much all of this spot here, over here. Actually, anywhere. Pick anywhere. But don't stay too long, because then you gotta move to the next spot. That's awesome, too. Where else? There's awesome everywhere. This pigeon, totally awesome. That pigeon's great. That seagull there, totally cool. And I love looking at this building here. It's so, oh my gosh. I don't know what it is to me, but it's really cool. It looks like, message me and tell me what it looks like for me. It's so cool with this lake thing. Oh, no windows here on this wall, but then we got some up here for you. Don't worry. And they're super Star Wars looking, like observation deck type. It's looking weathered at the top on the edge there, and I like that. So I'm pretty done. I love this seagull right now. We kind of interact a little bit, but he's totally showing off right now. He's like, yeah, dude. If you were me, you could just be up here like doing this. And then look at this. He's just like, I've got the best view. I got the best view.